friends, welcome back in my channel. Time is running very fast until we meet again in weekend. So it's time for me to share about beauty tips. And like the text of my videos, simple make perfume. Today I will show to you how to make a simple perfumes and very cheaper. So whatever we need for make a simple perfume, in here I'm really Downy perfumes for fabric. This is like a concentrate for like softener and perfume fabric. I have two variants of Downy, blue and this and this. This is new variants and have a picture of perfumes and perfume. I will show you how this cheaper product became luxury perfumes. You want to know how the price? Look, this is very cheaper. 1000 rupiahs, very cheaper, right? You know, I just need 3000 rupiahs to get this product. Why I love Indonesia so much? Because in my country have very much, everything is cheaper. Okay, let's start to make a perfume. First time I want to know which one the most good smell from the three variants. I like blue color better. I try this first. This is Ocean Aqua Oceans. Yeah, good. This is good. And second, this is Rose Passion. I will try. This is good smell too, but this is a lot. I think a lot of people use this smell. The three, Dolly. Is it Dolly? This is good too. This is good and good. But the most good smell for me, Aqua Passions. No, Aqua Oceans. Yeah, I like this Aqua Oceans. Or maybe because the cover is blue and I like a blue, I will try to make this first. We need a bottle to mix it up. Spray bottle. And we need a toner. This is a toner with rose extract, and we put here just a little bit. We need mineral water. You cannot use a water from your bathroom, but you must with mineral water because this mineral have like a filter. So this is a good. If you use with water from the bathroom, this is not long lasting. And we just put a little bit. Mix 3 ingredients and then just 6. Just 6 and we can try to smell. Very good smell. Good. I want to try this. Drop it again like this. And this is, it's about 5 drops, 5 or 7 drops of toner. If you feel still too thick, you can add more. And the water, drop this water more little than the toner, just a little. Okay, 3 ingredients we have mixed in here, and 6 again, and I will try. Which one the better? Good. Last one, I use this and use its bottle. We drop on here. And drop the toner. And the water, mineral water. Remember, you must use filter water, because if you just take a water from the bathroom, if you save in the long time, the water will give you smell not good. But if with mineral water, this is have a filter, so this is will give you good smelling for a long. This is the last, and we shake. And I try. Good smell. Right, we get a 3 perfume now. Pretty sure if you try this, you will get a long-lasting fragrance. After the 2 variants become to be perfumes, the smell is very good. All good smell. So make me confused which one the better, because all good smell. Okay, thank you for watching. See you on next my video. Bye.